For expert advice, ask the professional.
If you are having trouble getting your garage door to close, check the photo sensors at the bottom of the garage door. These are designed to stop the garage door when something is obstructing the signal between each side. There is a small light on each sensor indicating it recognizes the other one. If this does not fix the problem, Access Garage Doors offers same-day service.
For more helpful advice and information, keep watching for more Ask the Professional.